Everything matters. Your assignment matters. That switch on the screens matters. That rebound matters. That layup matters. That layup matters. You understand what I'm saying? That nice extra pass matters. Putting it in a spot where you catch the ball matters. You understand what I'm saying?